Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Wanted to say thanks for all the new subscribers. Appreciate it. Tonight I'm going to do another Dutch pour, part of what I'm calling my wife series, since this is something she wanted me to do. But anyway, the colors I'm using are Master Touches Ocean Green and Turquoise Green, along with Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray. I did add a little bit of iridescence to the Paynes Gray. However, you're more than likely not going to see it just due to lighting. So all of my paints are still mixed 2-to-1 ratio, Floetrol to paint, including the white base paint. They're all mixed the same. I did add a little bit of water to some of the paints to just try to even out the consistency of those. For the most part, I didn't really have any vision in terms of what order to put colors on the canvas, so I'm just basically making a mess to see, hopefully, that it'll come out good. So, hope everybody's doing good. I'm going to blow it out here in just a moment, and then I'll get to blowing out the rest of it, which I'll probably do most of that off camera, just because, you're just going to see me blowing the paint further out, and pretty sure y'all get that, but I will bring it back in after the fact. So, right now, I'm trying to leave a little bit of negative space in the center, but we'll see what we get. I'm not trying to blow it too much. I don't like it when my colors get a little muddy. It gets a little aggravating. Thinking about it, when I'm putting the paint down, I feel like I need to get some bottles to put the paint in, just because it'll be easier to control where they're going. I did have some bottles, but I didn't like it because the opening in the bottle was really small, so it was kind of hard to deal with. So here is after I've blown out the paint further out. Right now you kind of saw me add a little bit of paint to the outer edge of one of the blowouts. I just wanted the colors to be a little bit darker in some areas, and I sometimes do that. Just sometimes you gotta blow it around a little bit so it kind of blends in a little bit better. So for the most part, I do enjoy this one. Hopefully it dries just as well as it looks when it's wet, and also hopefully somebody's happy about their final painting. Here's a closer look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe as well. I do appreciate it. I hope all of you have a good night. Take care.